Hey friends, it's Rachel here. I'm just back with another video. I thought I would record a getting my life together vlog. It is Sunday and I saw Rauch post one and I am straight up stealing that video idea. So shout out to Rauch because her video inspired me to get my life together. So if you're watching this video, I hope you get inspired to get your life together. But yeah, the first thing I'm gonna do is clean my office. I have stuff like on my couch and it's kind of a mess here. So I just need to clean that up, and then I'm gonna clean my kitchen as well, and then probably the living room. I'm also gonna do some like hygiene things. I'm gonna do my eyebrows, which are wild right now, and then do my nails, which are non-existent right now, just because I kind of like having those done during the work week. It makes me feel more put together as I'm wearing my loungewear and doing my work. And then I have some errands to run, so y'all can come with me on those. But yeah, let's get our life together, guys. So the first thing I'm gonna be doing is cleaning up my office. Okay, so we're gonna do our eyebrows. If you can hear an electric guitar, that's because my man is playing an electric guitar that he built, like with his hands and with wood, and I'm shook. Yeah, anyway, we're gonna do our eyebrows because we need to do that today, you know? Y'all, any other like ethnic woman out there with wild brows, comment down below if you know the struggle, because y'all, that hair grows back way too fast. Way too fast. But yeah, so I have some things to go pick up at Target. I have some groceries I need to get for Jake's. He's gluten-free, and I have to go get myself nails, and I think I'm gonna get myself a green juice today because, you know, health. I actually woke up today feeling really uninspired and tired, and like I just wanted to sleep. I woke up and I like went downstairs and Jake was there with his friend, and I was like, I feel like I have no purpose today. And like the best thing I can do for myself is sleep, just because like just to sleep the day away, because there's no point in being up. But like not in a depressed way, because I felt that way when I was depressed. I don't know, I just felt off, and I was like, I'm just gonna watch some YouTube videos and hopefully get inspired. And then I saw Rauch's video and I was like, you know what, I'm gonna record a video today. Like it might be crap, but like I'm gonna do something and like do something with my day rather than just waste it. Even if this video is crap and I never post it, like I might as well record. Let's just do it, you know? Anyway, I'm gonna finish my eyebrows and watch Paige Loren's video. So friends, so I am done with one eyebrow, still working on the other. It's been about 40 minutes. Just telling you how hairy I am. I'm drinking a protein shake. Delicious. Anyway, yeah, we're gonna have that. Gonna keep working on the eyebrow. I'm feeling a lot better emotionally already. I do feel like I have purpose in life again. Yeah. And I think I'm gonna walk to Target instead of driving because I think that's better for me. My therapist would agree, so maybe I should listen to her for once. Yeah. Eyebrows are done. I already feel so much better. Wow. And I also plucked some on my forehead because, girl, this hairline, the devil gave it to me. I also really need to do my mustache, but I deal with chronic dermatitis. I think that's what it's called, dermatitis. I deal with probably what is contact dermatitis. So it was a skin rash caused by contact with a certain substance. Don't know what the substance is yet. I've just, like every few weeks, I end up with a really agitated ring around my lip. It's probably a lip product, I assume, or like a skincare product, but I haven't figured out what it is, and so I'm trying to figure out what to do about this mustache. Anyway, I am going to now clean my kitchen. Jake left a bunch of dishes. Love that for me. So yeah, I'm just gonna work on that and watch YouTube videos at the same time. I'm still enjoying Paige Lorenz's videos. I love her content. So I'm just gonna watch some of that, I think. Bye. Okay friends, so we're heading into my living room now to do the cleaning in there. I'm gonna get a trash bag for a number of reasons, but mostly because there's a lot of junk in my living room, just like stuff I've kept for no reason. And I'm gonna do like some Marie Kondo shit. I'm gonna like look at something and be like, does this bring me joy? And if it does not, I'm gonna put it in this bag. Anyway, this is the state of my living room. But just let me very quickly show you this guitar. My husband built this, y'all. Like every piece of it except for the hardware. It's amazing. Anyway, this is the state of my living room. Living room. And there's even more mess underneath here. And also, I found even more ways to hide mess beneath this table, which we love. We do love the table. Anyway, so you are gonna hang out with me as I get rid of all this shit that's just hiding, you know? Random Zara receipt, y'all. Why is that just hanging out there? I don't understand. I also got tickets that I gotta throw away. Rude. Don't want that. Okay, so I've done like a portion. I'm also just moving all of Jake's stuff that I don't know where it goes, just to this side of the table. And hopefully he understands as soon as he gets back. But yeah, now I'm gonna go under the table, which I intended this to be like an organized space and to help me organize, but it's really just a mess. I've also got like antidepressants lying around, and I'm confused why I just leave shit around like this. I don't know, y'all. I do not know. Does anyone else do this? I feel like definitely. I don't even know why I'm asking. Anyway, I'm gonna clear this out. I'm like itching to go to Target now and go on my walk. But I need to finish this first because I know as soon as I get back, I'm gonna be dead and I'm not gonna be doing any cleaning. So I'm gonna do this now and watch The Bachelor while I do it. Hello, so I finished cleaning my living room. And I am now just gonna head out to Target. I was just charging my phone for a little bit because it didn't charge last night. But I'm just gonna put on some sunscreen. This is my favorite facial sunscreen. I guess any kind of sunscreen. It's from MD Solar Sciences. It's the mineral cream and SPF 50. That's the good shit. I don't think that did anything for my hair, but you know what? Whatever. Okay, I'm gonna go find some clothes and then we're gonna pop off to Target. Okay, I'm ready to go. I'm just wearing my Naturalizer sneakers. These Free People little shorts, and then this Yosemite top from Target. Pretty green look. I'm honestly pretty lazy and don't really want to get dressed. So this is gonna be it. Let's get going. Hello, I I'm back from my shopping adventure. I just ate my barbecue, which was so good. I'm drinking this green juice, not green juice, it's not a green juice, this chlorophyll drink. After my husband started drinking this after our like alternative medicine doctor told him to for his ulcerative colitis, which has gotten so much better. This is a mix of chlorophyll, aloe vera, water, and psyllium hulls, which are all really good for your digestion. Anyway, I'm just gonna drink this and then show you what I bought, because why not? I went to TJ Maxx because we all love TJ Maxx, and I just got these Cynthia Rolly shorts just because I'm always wanting more comfy clothes and I will never have too many, and that's really why. So yeah, got these and I'm excited about those. I also bought shampoo packs from Dove. These were like $6 for the pack of 2, which is insane. So I actually got 2 packs of these because I'm pretty sure we're running out in 2 of the bathrooms. Men's razors. Aquaphor for my dermatitis lips. Kiss nails, which I'm going to be putting on shortly. Essie matte top coat. I know Matt's not in right now, but Matt's in my heart, so I do not care. And then this yellow nail polish because I've really been liking yellow. And then these emery boards. I don't know what I'm singing. Anyway, so I'm just watching The Hills New Beginnings and drinking this. I honestly think I'm gonna take a nap soon. Because why not? You know, I've been really productive today and I walked a couple of miles. I walked like 3 miles. Feeling good. Feeling good. So I am going to just relax for a little bit. Hello friends, I'm feeling much better after my little nap. Okay, so I just showered. I took a bath. Does anyone also love spraying perfume right on after a shower? It just makes me feel extra nice. This is Dossier's Floral Pink Pepper, which is a Miss Dior Chevry dupe. Oh my god, I'm super itchy. Y'all, I shaved all over and now I'm itchy. Gonna moisturize, but I want to put on one of my favorite face masks, and then, which is this one, the the peeling solution from Dr. Jart. I found these in a Target, not in a Target. I found these in a TJ Maxx once, and they are literally amazing. And ever since then, I have not been able to find them. I managed to find like 20 of them on eBay, and I snatched them up, and they were super cheap for some reason. And it turns out it's because they expire. They expired 30th of last month, but guess what? We're still gonna use it because I don't think that's as real as it pretends to be. Anyway, I love this stuff. It just exfoliates your face so well, and I put this on and then I put the Ordinary Niacinamide on, and girl, I be looking shiny the next day. So I'm just gonna smear this sugar all over my face. I love that. Y'all, I'm not kidding you. I woke up after my nap and this room was just as messy as it was before I started cleaning it. Disturbed. I thought about just going back to sleep and pretending like I had never woken up. But then my dad wouldn't stop calling me. Okay, so now after I've spread all this stuff on my face, I'm gonna pop this mask on. So when you put it on, it makes this little noise. It like crackles, which makes me feel like it's super real and real skincare and stuff. Anyway, I look fly now. Love this look. Fashion, beauty, all of the above. Okay, so I'm just gonna pop that on. Anyway, we're also gonna do our nails because the girl needs long nails. I feel super goofy keeping these on while I'm filming. Anyway, so I bought this big set of long nails. I also got this set of Kiss. I've been using these a lot, but I bought these because I was like, I can't spend $8 on every set of nails. I know it's a lot better than like what a lot of people out there spend, which is like $40 a set of nails or $50. But that's a lot for me, and I ain't gonna be doing that. And then I bought this Defy and Inspire yellow polish because I really liked my yellow Kiss nails last time. And then I bought a matte Essie polish top coat because I like matte even though it's not trendy. Honestly, the worst thing about living with your partner is when they ask you, like when you're going through the kitchen, they're like, oh, can you take my bowl and my cup with you to the kitchen? No, take it yourself. Like, that's honestly the bane of my existence. Thinking of divorce. Like, I'm on my way somewhere and you have the audacity to ask if I can put your plate away? No. Anyways, I'm putting these Mighty patches on my problem spots that have been there for over a week. I didn't have these with me on my trip, so I am putting them on now. And then I'm gonna put on this lactic acid from The Ordinary because I feel like it. No, because I want to like follow up with another exfoliant, another gentle exfoliant after that last mask. Oh my god, I'm running out of this one. Okay, I'm just gonna pop that on my problem areas. I feel like these are definitely from pillows. I have like issues on both sides. What smells funny? That's not good, right? Okay, just put a little bit on. I'm gonna let that dry and then I'm gonna put some niacinamide on, which is again the Ordinary niacinamide. Okay, so I'm gonna do my nails, and I'm honestly not gonna record most of this because it's gonna take me a while, and if you want to watch me do my nails, you can go to another video, which I'll link here because I've done that before. But yeah, so I have a few things I'm gonna do after this, which includes checking my work email and, you know, checking, like, just kind of figuring out my calendar for tomorrow and what's gonna be going on, because I'm always so frazzled after the weekend, especially I've been gone for a week now, or almost a week. Friends, so it's now about 10. I'm done with my nails. They ended up really bad. Like, this nail looks great. Focus. This nail looks great, and then this one's just like so bad, but that's fine. Thank you so much for watching this video. I really hope that you ended up having a productive day. I've actually ended up feeling so much better than I did in the morning when I was feeling kind of like down, and yeah. So I hope that you had a productive day as well and a good start to your week. Thanks for watching. Bye.